buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie, and today I want to show you how you can edit your home screen on your iPhone 15. To be more specific, how you can get apps off your home screen. So if you're on your home screen and you want to get rid of some apps to customize your home screen a bit more, you can click on one app, press and hold, and now you want to click on remove app, and now we can say either delete app, remove from home screen, or cancel. It depends on the app if you can actually delete it or if you can only remove it from your home screen. So we want to say remove from home screen, as we just want to get it off our home screen. And now this app can be found in our app library. So when you're on your home screen, just swipe to your right till you get there, and then you have that podcast thingy here. If you want to add this app again to your home screen, you need to press and hold and then just say add to home screen, and then it's on your home screen again. So that's how you can get apps off your home screen on your iPhone 15. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.